This is Sandeep CEO, founder, mentor, and advisor of PandoraBiz.com. Today I'm going to show you the mini portable projector, which we were advertising the whole time. This is the new version of it. So it comes with the wire, AVG cable with aux, and also it comes with the adapter, which has to be connected to give the power supply to this projector. It also comes with the mini remote control. The battery is this much, the small one, and it also has it doesn't come with this though, please remember. So it has all the features. The buttons are here, and it has the aux is there. You can put it out there. You can connect your aux and make the sound and everything, and it has USB, and here you can put SSD card, which is memory card, and everything's there. There is a lens, and it's how it looks like from front, and it's very small now. As you can see here, I've used Samsung phone just to support, and it is only this much big. Only this much big. As you can see here, it's like a palm. That's why it's called mini projector, and it's LED, by the way. And now what I've done is I can even use this to supply the power directly connecting with the the socket, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make sure that I show you directly the best feature about this. I already tested with this, it's working fine. Now this is my power bank, which I'm using, 20,000 mAh power bank, which is MI branded, which we also sell this product, and Redmi brand. We're selling this product in PandoraBiz.com. You'll find it in our website as well. Now this product is not with this product. It is separately sold. This is something that I use. I'm just using to prove you guys that this product can be used outside also as a portable. That's why it's called mini portable projector. So I'm giving power supply from here using the USB cable, which connects with the old cable. It's not type C, it's type other one. The old is USB cables in me. So now I'm using the pen drive, which contains the videos and everything, media files. It's here. Now I'm using this board as a screen. Right now you cannot see anything properly. Now what I've done is I've done research about this product, and I found it is very good. Now here's what I'm going to show you why it is good. I'm going to turn off the light now, and I'm going to show you how exactly it looks like when it comes to picture, sound, and everything. Alright, this is how it looks like in projector. Okay, right now I'm in music, so I'm going to use this remote control, which is the power bank, and I have to take this remote control to the projector, and then I need to control like this. Okay, now I'm gonna play the movie, but before I play the movie, let me show you the setting so you guys can remember. The setting is very simple. Picture mode for the color, so I've used this contrast 35, brightness 50, color 50, sharpness 50, and because of that it's working amazing. Now I'm gonna go back, and then I'm going to show you the other setting as well, so you can remember the right color is temperature. So you need to click on temperature. So I put red as 35, green 35, and blue 35. So I'm going to go back now. Now I'm going to play some movie where I can show you. If I click here, I can go back, return. So I'm going to click on C. That is what it is. I can open the documentations. I can use documents. Let me try opening. There's some folders I can control. Okay, so let me try to open invitation. So up folder. Let me try invoice. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go return. frame. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna play one video that I have downloaded and put it inside, one of the favorite. So I've already played it. I'm gonna go back. This is the volume. Now I can go up. No distortion of the songs version. This is playing through this projector itself. It has a speaker. You can even connect with the aux and other speaker as well using aux. Look at the video quality. It's LED, of course. All the colors and everything is done due to the setting. So I'm gonna play this. I think I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna play it from the beginning, I think. So I'm gonna click on no. So I want to start from here. This is how it looks like.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow to the sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So you can see the song beating very good. I'm gonna play another video so you guys can see how it exactly looks like, because that video is all Bhutanese video. I mean, like, video which is related to Bhutan. So check it out.
Imagine a country tucked into the Himalaya mountains between the giant countries of India and China, and closed off from tourism until 1974. A country that decided to measure national happiness, has completely free healthcare, and nobody living on the streets. Sounds unbelievable, but this is all true about Bhutan, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Counting down from number 16, no homeless people at all. In Bhutan, there's no one stuck living out on the streets. If a person loses their home, they just need to go to the king and he'll give them a plot of land where they can build a house to live in and plant a garden to eat from. 15. Free health care. Each Bhutanese resident has the right to free medical care. The country's Ministry of Health has made...
Alright, as you can see here, the video quality and everything seems to be really perfect. I actually underestimated this product. Right now I'm recording this video at night time hours right now. So let me tell you what exactly the best part about this product, what I loved it. Alright, what I loved about this product is, first thing is mini portable, where you can carry anywhere. With the support, if you have a power bank, you can give a power supply to this. Take it anywhere and you can use it, anywhere. You can watch a movie, like it's fun. You can spend time with someone. And the remote control is very small too, portable. And this also you can use if you want to. And there's an aux, VGA connected with aux. You can do that as well. And it also have HDMI port, which you can use and connect your laptop and this projector as well, HDMI port. And I have already tested that, and it works really fine. And you can get HDMI cable anywhere. As you can see here, the size is very small. You can even put the earphone. The power supply is here, so you can keep AV cable here, and you can put the earphone as well. That means you can use aux. and aux you can connect with the speaker, which you can for the louder voice, louder sound. And here you can put SD card, memory card as well. And here I have already put USB. It's very amazing, you know, as I can see. I really underestimated this product. Amazing product, I'm telling you. Well, actually, you know, this comes with this box and LED connection. So if you are going to purchase this product, you can definitely purchase the product. And the price is very simple, reasonable. We're selling at $6,499, and it comes with free delivery whole Bhutan. Actual price is $8,999. So you are getting a very massive discount right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Hope you can see the video, and please like and follow and subscribe to our channel so we can create such kind of videos for you. And remember, this is the speaker where you can get all the sound here itself. Thank you so much. Sandeep Rai Chamling signing out. See you next time.